Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Toyota emblem there, put one hand there, lift up the hood slightly, put another hand over there and push it up. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it over there in that slot in the hood with the arrow marking it. Now pull it back slightly and now the hood is secure. Now once the hood is open, that right there, that's what the filter is. First thing, we need to get that wire out of that clip, so that gives us some more room to play around with. Just get it out from over there, be gentle with it, and it's out. Now there are two clips, one over there, undo this one, and there's one on the back there, undo that one as well. And now we need to lift it up from the back there and get it out from that hinge right over there. Now this allows us to lift up the cover, and there's enough play now. There's the filter right over there. Just get the filter. It could either be stuck on the cover or it could be just like lying flat over there. Either way, just get the filter and get it out. Now if you look at the filter, there are three rounded edges and one is a sharp edge. This allows us to position the filter properly when we are putting it back in. That sharp edge is on the bottom left corner, right over there. Let's position it properly the way I'm showing over here and put it back in. 1, 2, 3 rounded edge and the sharp edge over there. Everything is looking good. Let's put the cover back on. Now it's important that we get those hinges in properly. So let's take a closer look at this. Right over there. Slow down and at angle, push that cover in, and it should go in just like that. That is looking good. Only once it's in place will you be able to put those clips back on. So now let's put this one clip on and the second clip on. Also let's put this wire back into that clip, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push it, take load off the prop rod, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.